Hello everyone, for today's video, let's open some package. So ito guys, galing lang sa customer ko, so I'm so grateful. Mag-a-alcohol muna tayo. So ito na, open na natin. First, I'm gonna get my carrot. Ito na guys, buksan na natin. Wait. Ito na guys, so buksan na natin. Wait lang guys. Ilang pack ba to? Hindi ko na rin niya alam eh. Ito na siya guys. So baka may packages pa siya. I'm so grateful talaga. Thank you ha. Thank you sa nagbigay. So open. Wait lang ba? Ito siya guys. So ito, last pack na siguro to. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Nag-uutak processing pa ako, be. So, ito na. Pasanin natin. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Wala nang laman. Wala nang laman. Oh my God. So, first, may ganito siya, guys. Ang cute. Thank you. Oh my God. Cute na ito. Washi tapes and kawaii stickers. So grateful. So, dito na tayo guys. Oh my God, wait. Ito yung gusto ko. Guka stickers. Ang cute na ito. Thank you. I'm really happy. Ito na guys. Ito na natin dyan. Ito na yung freebies, magiging freebies natin. Tignan natin kung anong laman. First packet. So, let's go. Oh my God. OMG! Ang cool! Wait lang guys. Kasi alam nyo guys, parang na-discover ko to. Alam nyo naman, may ganito din ako eh. Kasi yung nawala. Oh my gosh. Oh my God! Ang cute! Tignan niyo yung nails niya. Ang cute. Thank you. Baka meron pa dito. Oh my God! Stickers! Parang meron pa. Freebies lang siguro to, be. Thank you. This is so cute. Thank you. Next. I'm so grateful. Oh my God! OMG. Para sa aking dami neto. Papauso ba kayo? Oh my God! Facial ba to? My God, yung ito. Parang ano siya? Holographic ata. Oo nga, holographic niya. Kita nyo ba? Ang ganito lang. Oh my goodness. What is this? Hindi ko alam. Oh my God! Papayak ako. Wait lang. Papauso ba kayo? Oh my God! Oh my God! Really Colette. You think guys, she's not my bias, but it's okay because okay lang guys kasi yung cute na rin. Ano nyo? Ang cute ng ganito guys. I didn't know if the one that made this is my fans. Oh my God, you're so very creative. I'm so very grateful that you do this. Oh my God, this is so cute. Thank you. Second, so let me fix it. This one. Oh my God, Benny Maloy. This is so cute. Thank you. This is the cute wow I've ever seen in my whole life. Second, I know it. I really know it. It's Bini Aya. Thank you, everyone. So this is what I got. So let's open this packet. No, this is a see-through, but it's okay. First, washi tapes. This is cute cinnamon washi tapes. I have this. Wait, I have this one. I have this one already. Look at this. I have this one. Look at that. Sanyo characters. I've seen this on TikTok shop. It's only 65 pesos. I don't know. Second. Oh my God, this is really cute. Look at this bunny. Look at that. Gosh. This is really, really cute. Let's open it. Kita niyo ba yun, guys? It's really cute. So, you know, I'm gonna get this too. Guys, kukunin ko lang ito at magpapacking na rin tayo. Kasi may nag-order kasi sa akin. Thank you. I'm so very grateful. So, guys, let's clean it up. Quality check. Good. This is good, guys. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. If you guys wonder what's my desk, this is it. I have some stickers left in here. This is my desk. I have many stuffs. You know, some for photo cards. You know, this is my stickers. Sticker collection. If you wanna order, just chat me. My name is Estherline Aladesna. If you just wanna order. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.